In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can change default app. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices settings right away. Then you need to scroll down, tap on Apps, and select Default Apps. Now just tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage, like Browser app, and apply your new downloaded one by clicking on it. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!